Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make some fall leaf background papers using my gel press. I'm also going to be using this really cool set. It's a gouache paint set from Chocola. I'll have the links for everything down below. This set is really cool. I've reviewed it before a while, like years back, but it is the 36 color set. And it comes with a nice set of brushes, a little spatula. It came with a color swatch sheet that you add the paints to so you know what colors they are. And then it came with two little trays of the 36 colors here. Very cool. Today I'm going to be using, let me put this away here a second. I'm going to be using 3 of my colors, and it is an orange, gold, and ochre. So I thought those would be fun colors for a fall journal. I'm working on a couple of fall journals right now, so I wanted to try out this leaf pattern. So if you have ever used or haven't ever used a gel press, it is a squishy, hence the name gel, like a jelly, a squishy little, like, it's deceiving calling it a plate because usually a plate is hard, but this is jelly, so it's a gel printing plate. And I don't know all the logistics of it. I'm really new to doing this, so I just kind of watch videos on YouTube and Pinterest and things like that and get ideas, and I wanted to try out the leaf part. So what we're going to be doing is actually rolling out our colors first, and I have, of course, my 3 colors. So I'm going to start by putting this little dots of the paint, and if I can get it off, here we go. I might need to go out a little bit here. I'm going to put some dots of the paint on, and this is just whatever preference of wherever you want to put the paint. You can do it little dots of everything all over, or just do it in a sections and then roll it together so it's, this one's a little watery. There we go. So it makes like an ombre effect. And then you can add as you go after you roll it out. Use the gold. So I'm just going to start rolling it. Whoops. All right, now I'm going to start placing my leaves, and what I'm going to do is put the vein side down. And these leaves are a little crispy because I picked them a while back and thought I was going to be doing the video sooner. So, like, that one just broke, but that's okay. Hopefully you can see all that. Maybe I'll turn it, that way you can see it a little bit better. There we go. Down here. Which way is it? Oh, this one's... This one, I like, they're very crispy. Hopefully this will work. Okay, now I'm going to take my paper and roll the top onto the paper. I don't have, if you had 2 rollers, you could, you know, so you don't get the paint on the back of the paper, but I'm perfectly fine with having the paint on the back of the paper because I use it, or, you know, I don't have to use this side. I could just use this paper for making embellishments or tag, like altering tags and things. All right. So then we're gonna pick that up like that. Before you, I don't want to take it all the way off. I'm going to remove my leaves at this point, trying not to mess up the paint underneath. And I don't want to shift my paper because I want it to lay back down on the mat. And then roll it out again. Now, at this point, I've seen some people doing it where they use their hair dryer or a heat gun to dry it. I'm gonna see if this will actually work without doing that. Oh yeah, I don't need to use a hair dryer. Oh, that looks really cool. Oh wow, I love it. So look at that. Isn't that awesome? I really love it. That's so, oh, gosh, that looks so great. I love it. Okay, so now I want to do this and do a tag. That's so awesome. I don't know if I could roll. No, I don't want to mess that up. Okay, so that one turned out great. I love that. So now I have this craft tag. So I want to add some more paint here. And I'm just going to do it in one spot here. Basically doing the same thing, but just on the tag. So I'm going to do 3 little dots of my paint. And roll it out. And then put my leaves back down. And then my tag will go down this. I'm trying to see if I have something I can use to smush it around. I suppose it'll be okay if I just use this. Yeah, it'll be fine. Pick it up. Pull off my leaves. Oops. And then put that back down there. Very cool. Love that. Super quick and easy background for your journals or tags or anything like that. So yeah, go ahead and check out my links if you're interested in the paints or the gel press or this. Anyway, hopefully you're having a great day. Happy fall, and we'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.